If you're planning to buy the XPPen Wireless Drawing Tablet Deco Pro LW 2nd Generation, 11-inch Bluetooth graphics tablet with the X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus, check the link in the description for more information. Today's focus is on a drawing tablet that aims to balance performance, usability, and value in a way that makes sense for both beginners and experienced digital artists. Instead of trying to overwhelm users with overly complex features, it focuses on delivering a smooth and reliable creative experience that supports real workflow needs. From the moment you unbox it, the Deco Pro LW 2nd Gen feels like a serious creative tool. The design is clean and minimal, with a premium metal finish that immediately sets it apart from entry-level tablets. It doesn't feel cheap or toy-like. Instead, it feels like something designed for long-term creative use, whether you're working in a studio or at home. One of the standout upgrades is the wireless Bluetooth connectivity. This removes the need for constant cable management and allows a more flexible workspace. You can position your tablet exactly how you want without worrying about wires getting in the way. For many creators, this alone makes the workflow feel significantly more comfortable and modern. The real core of any drawing tablet is the pen experience, and this is where the X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus plays a major role. The pen feels lightweight, responsive, and well-balanced in the hand. It delivers smooth input with very low latency, making it feel natural when sketching, illustrating, or editing detailed artwork. Pressure sensitivity is handled well, allowing for a wide range of line variation. Light strokes come out soft and subtle, while stronger pressure creates bold, expressive lines. This kind of control is essential for artists who rely on precision and expression in their digital work. The drawing surface has a slightly textured feel, which helps simulate a more traditional paper-like experience. Instead of a slippery glass feel, you get better control and stability during long drawing sessions. This improves accuracy and makes extended use more comfortable. The active drawing area is generously sized for an 11-inch tablet. It provides enough space for natural hand movement, which is especially important for detailed illustrations or broad brushwork. You don't feel restricted, and that extra room helps maintain a more natural creative flow. Another strong feature is the customizable shortcut keys. These can be mapped to frequently used tools or actions in software like Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, Krita, and other creative platforms. Over time, this significantly improves productivity by reducing the need to constantly switch tools manually. Compatibility is also a major advantage. The tablet works smoothly across Windows, Mac OS, and Android devices, making it flexible enough for different workflows. Whether you're working on a desktop setup or a portable creative station, it integrates easily without complications. Battery efficiency is another important factor in wireless devices, and this tablet handles it well. You can go through extended creative sessions without constantly worrying about charging interruptions. This helps maintain focus during long design or illustration work. In terms of performance stability, the tablet delivers consistent and accurate tracking. The pen input remains stable, with no noticeable jitter or lag in normal usage. This consistency is important for professionals who need reliable precision during detailed creative tasks. What makes this device especially appealing is its accessibility. It is simple enough for beginners to learn quickly, yet powerful enough for experienced artists who need control and accuracy. This makes it suitable for students, hobbyists, content creators, and professionals alike. Compared to many other tablets in this category, the Deco Pro LW 2nd Gen focuses on delivering a strong core experience rather than unnecessary complexity. It prioritizes smooth drawing performance, reliable stylus input, wireless convenience, and a practical workflow layout. Overall, the experience feels well optimized for creative work. Every element, from the stylus responsiveness to the wireless design, works together to support a smooth and efficient workflow. Whether you're doing illustration, concept art, photo editing, or graphic design, it provides a dependable platform for creativity. In conclusion, the XPPen Deco Pro LW second generation is a well-rounded drawing tablet that combines wireless freedom, accurate pen performance, and a comfortable drawing experience into one solid package. If you're looking for a reliable digital art tool that improves workflow without unnecessary complexity, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.
Kenapa?